Hi, it's Beanie. I'll show you how to make a French braid. Now I have another film on where I made a French braid, and I started the French braid down here. Now I'm going to start the French braid up here. First I comb my hair. I already combed it. Let me show you. I'll just comb my hair nicely again, so it can look prettier later when you make the braid. So I'm going to take some hair up here in the front. Can you see? Take some hair way up here in the front. And then I make one normal braid. Put this here and there. And then I'll take a little bit off the left side here. And attach it to this outer strand here. And then I braid it over. And then I'll take one on that side. A little bit on that side. Put it to that outer strand and braid it. A little bit more on that side and over. Just continue to do so. It's a beautiful day today. Do you hear the birds singing? You can make this French braid and even sleep with it. It still looks pretty in the morning. Just a little bit from each side. Ellie's filming. Elle, does it look alright?
Yeah, it's looking real beautiful.
And I noticed it's easier when you don't have really long hair. I used to have very long hair. Then it makes it more difficult. Just take a little bit of hair from each side and braid it over. Make sure you catch it right here. Braid it over. And just attach it to the outer strand each time now that you have. Do you see what I mean? You just take it like this, attach it to this. This time, I don't know where I have my ribbon, and I don't think it's on my hand, or is it?
On the left side of you.
Okay. It's a pretty warm day today. Went up to 94 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. Did you get the hang of it? Yeah, that's what the Americans say. El, what does it translate into? Did you get the hang of it?
I think that means, did you learn it, and can you think you can do it?
Did you
Try it.
understand it? Did you get it? Now I have very thin hair, but it still looks pretty. On my
On your left side,
hand.
on your left side. Right by your hip.
Oh, you mean down here, not on
Ah.
my hand. There you go. You see, that's a bit of a different French braid than on my other film. How do you like it? Doesn't it look nice? Let me show you. Nice? Till next time. La Beanie.